With the increase in the ongoing cases of COVID 19, we have been hearing about plasma therapy a lot. So, today I'm going to simplify what is plasma therapy and answer a few related questions. Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel The Physio Guide. I make videos on lifestyle, health, and fitness. If you like, don't forget to subscribe. So, let's begin. The first question: what is plasma? The liquid portion of the blood is plasma, which means the rest of the cells, that is RBC, WBC, and platelets, they are to be separated. So, what is the procedure? It is kept in a device and then it is removed and separated, and then the separated part, the plasma is kept and stored, and the cells are returned back to the individual. So the person doesn't lose his RBC, WBC, and platelets like blood donation. So, how plasma helps in COVID? Whenever a virus like coronavirus or bacteria anything enters the body, it creates some response, and in response to that, if the immunity is good, antibodies are created, and these antibodies, they are like soldiers. They'll do what? They'll go and handcuff or disarm the virus. Okay, like you can see this Y shape, they will go and cover the sites from where the virus acts, and then the virus is reduced and it is not active anymore, like you can see this in picture. And sometimes even the WBCs, they go and eat up that entire virus. Okay, if somebody is affected by the coronavirus, they develop these antibodies after some time, and these antibodies, they are stored where? They are stored in the plasma. That's why we need the plasma for somebody who's very sick or who is not responding. So we give the plasma directly to that person so that the extreme viral load can be reduced, meanwhile he is generating his own antibodies. Now, who can donate plasma and who cannot? Somebody who is between 18 to 65 years of age, and after testing negative, wait for 14 days, then you can donate. One should be symptomatic at the time of infection, because then only the antibodies will be there. Women with no kids and people who have no transferable diseases. And who cannot give? People with diabetic, blood pressure, with a cancer survivor, or anything related to kidney, heart, lung, or liver, and women who have ever been pregnant. If you need explanation for this, do comment. I will also link some articles, you can read about it. What does the donor need to do? Nothing. Carry your ID card, carry your positive result of the past, carry your negative result of present, and even if you don't have the negative result, if it's already been 14 to 28 days, they will make you get the result again. How much time is needed for the patient to recover? Only 15 minutes, and then you are ready to do your regular activities and head back home. When can one donate? So, when the infection has started, after a month you are ready to donate, or when the infection is over, get a RT-PCR done, and after 14 days you can donate. How much plasma is taken out? Only around 600 ml of plasma is taken out in one go. How many patients can be treated with that? So one patient requires around 200 ml, so we can save 3 patients if we donate only once, and at least 2 patients. So when will the plasma regenerate? So it takes only 24 hours, and within 24 hours the plasma regenerates spontaneously. How many times can one donate? So after you have donated once, after a 14 days gap, you can donate again, and you can do it, keep on doing it till 3 to 4 months, and so you can overall you can donate like 6 to 8 times. So does one get money after plasma donation? Yes, in many countries people are paid, and it's legal in India also. In like Bangalore, you can see 5,000 was given, but it is discouraged if people are doing only for money. In Delhi, only certificate is provided. So is plasma therapy effective? You can see in this article of June 2020 that it says plasma therapy is safe and improves survival rate, and there are many articles which says the same. But now recently new articles are coming which shows that there is no survival benefit of plasma therapy, and it should be discarded. But it is yet not discarded, as I'm making this video on 17th of May 2021. The conflict of the views can be very well explained by Dr. Trehan, who is a cardiac surgeon at Medanta and also the chairman. He says that when it is given on time, then it is giving a success rate. When it is given between stage 2 and 3, but when it is given late, then it doesn't do any good to the patient. So my request to everybody who can donate, that please donate, and donate it before it's an emergency, before it crosses that late stage. Donate on time so that it's available, so that it can help, because there is no side effect of plasma therapy. If you like my efforts, do like, comment, and share and subscribe. And thank you so much for staying till the end.